back to High Country Cooking with Chewy. As some of you have seen, I haven't been doing a whole heck of a lot of videos because I ran into a few health problems that I found out about, as like a heart condition, actually a couple of heart conditions. Yeah, like AFib, congestive heart failure, enlarged heart, oh yeah, and most important one, the diabetes. A change of jobs. So, and as you can tell, I've lost a little bit of weight. This is the white jacket I was wearing when I was for the Italian bread video. It fit snug back then. I've ended up dropping about 100, almost 100 pounds. Pretty close to. I was pushing 300 pounds in that video. But just to let you guys know, I'm still going to be making videos. They're just not going to come as fast because I got to learn how to cook healthy and make it so the stuff tastes good. Because as we know, healthy food sucks. It does not taste good at all. I mean, granted, yeah, it helped me lose a little bit of weight, but no, the food sucks. I'm trying to figure out how to make it taste good just so it doesn't suck as bad. But keep your eyes peeled also, because there may be a few channel changes here and there, maybe throwing in a new segment of a little bit of adventuring that I'm going to be doing just to get a little bit more active. See if I can drop a few more pounds before I get married. So make sure you stick around. You're going to like these videos. Hey, and always remember, never trust a skinny... Well, wait a minute. Never trust a fat cook? Wait, no, because they're unhealthy too. Well, damn, how am I going to end these now? Ah, to hell with it. Stick around. You're going to like these videos coming up. It'll be an adventure for everybody.